Today we're going to talk about plumbing, but we're going to talk about swimming pool plumbing. So let's get right to it. Hi, JC here, CEO of J Designs. So throughout the years, customers always ask me about swimming pool plumbing. And today we're going to talk about the design, the construction materials, and the process. The swimming pool plumbing design should be done by a mechanical engineer or somebody that is well versed in hydraulics. In our industry, there are several courses and classes that you can take for basic hydraulic design or advanced hydraulic design. And that person is responsible to do the calculations of the bodies of water or how many bodies of water there is in a project, size it accordingly, and determine the pipe size where the water should travel and also at what velocity. There's also codes and standards that need to be maintained in order to do a proper installation and the hydraulic calculation. Depending on the size of the project or how many bodies of water or pools or water features, spas that are involved in a project will determine the time spent or allocated in order to design it. If it is a simple pool, that may take only a week or even less than that. And larger projects can take several weeks designing it. PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride, which is basically a byproduct of oil or crude oil. And this material needs certain certifications in order to withstand also heat and endurance as water flow. There's many types of pipes, and some of them are for sewer, drainage, irrigation, and also for human consumption, which is basically this one that we use on swimming pools. The cost of PVC will vary obviously on the diameter and thickness and the size. If you're doing a very large project, you're going to require a lot more material. Therefore, the cost increments significantly. There are special glues and primers that are used, and they're actually standards and code standards that need to be observed in order to do a proper plumbing installation, to glue the parts together, inclusive the fittings or any part of the plumbing that has to be together, as it's all a system, a circular system. The plumbing contractor or the crew that does the plumbing does the installation. They follow the plan, they follow the hydraulic plan. Now this needs to be discussed where the trenching or the plumbing is going to be directed, where it goes, where the equipment is going to be located. So all those are the elements that are taken in account in order to do a proper installation. Depending on the size of the project will also dictate the time it takes to do the plumbing, and also depending where the equipment may be located or the pool. Those may be far away from each other or close by. So all those are factors that need to be accounted for. With the right plan from the beginning, you have a successful installation and very efficient circulation system in your backyard. Check out our Learning Center to learn more about swimming pool construction. And when you're ready to build a pool, book an appointment today.